Hey folks, I rarely do videos one after another like this, but I have to say something that's very, very important, so listen up. If the stock market rallies today, you are going to have a whole entire class of people, mostly the fashionistas, who are going to say, aha, look at that. The stock market handled the attacks on Syria, the U.S. Missile attacks on Syria last night. The stock market handled a very weak employment report. So, aha, that's proof that the market is going up and their Met Gala is going to be back on today. But let me tell you something, they are going to be wrong, and it is going to give you an opportunity to strip them of their little skirts and while they dance at the Met Gala, okay? You know, people who say, hey, the market always tells the truth, if you were to use that to sort of argue that, hey, if the market's going up today, even though the jobs report was really, really weak, far weaker than anyone thought, except for me, of course. And if the market's going up today, even though last night Dow futures were down something like 100 points after, the world found out about the U.S. military strike on Syria, then the market must be great. It must be wonderful. That's not true. The market may always tell the truth, but it doesn't always tell the truth on an instant. So you're going to get a bunch of people running into to the market today if it goes up on this belief that, hey, the all clear signal has been given. The market's telling us something that nobody else understands. Sorry, the economy is slowing down. It's now starting to hit the labor market. Fiscal flows have been slowing down. Other metrics of the economy have been slowing down. The stock market reflects real conditions at some point. And with the economy slowing down, that equates to lower earnings, and that's why we buy stocks. I mean, we buy stocks essentially is a small piece of ownership in companies, so we can participate in that earnings stream. All right. So I get back to the big macro picture. Gold is going up. And by the way, even if gold sells off today, let's say what was it up $17 or something like that. Even if it goes down to no gain or even negative, that doesn't change anything. That's what I said earlier. Is these daily fluctuations, they're meaningless in the big picture. The point is, in December 2015, gold was at 1,040. Now it's at 1270. You had 3 rate hikes. I could go on and on. It's up 20%. The S&P is what, up 16% in that time? Not a bad performance, but less than gold. So you can't look at these day-to-day fluctuations and say, aha, that is the trend. It's not. So I'm just telling you beforehand, if the stock market goes up today, which it's very likely to do, and it might go up by a lot, the fashionistas are going to be dancing with their skirts. The party's going to be on. The Met Gala is going to be on. They will argue, and many of them will probably come on here and post up comments that, the fashionistas have won and it's an unrelenting bull market. You see, Mike Norman, and all this stuff. But that's fine. I'm selling into it. Does not change anything. I just wanted to put that out there. Same thing with the dollar, by the way. If the dollar rallies today, which it's doing right now, it's wrong. I mean, you got to sell that. Bye.